Sony crammed a full-size speaker into this silly TV remote. Remember the coolest cooler? It was a cooler with a speaker, a blender, big wheels, USB power, lights and more. Sony is releasing its own version of the coolest cooler. Here it is, a weirdly shaped TV remote that comes with a built-in speaker, making it the least practical TV remote in the world. As you can see on the picture, the company is targeting the Japanese market with this device. Everything is written in Japanese. And did I tell you that this remote weighs nearly a pound? The idea is that sometimes you want to listen to something that's on the TV but you're not actually watching the TV. Maybe you're cooking, for example, or playing with your kids. With this Frankenstein-inspired device, you can carry a TV speaker with you and become the worst parent ever. The remote comes with a base station that you connect to your TV in order to transmit the audio. Recharge the device. It's got a battery life of 16 hours. Sony says that this device is particularly useful when there's a lot of noise going around you. Instead of having to crank up the volume, you can put the speaker right next to you. But let's be honest, this device looks ridiculous and impractical in every possible way. Now that we live in a world of time-shifted TV and streaming services, hitting the pause button seems much better than spending $160 on this gigantic remote.